If you're looking for a budget-friendly place to stay in Siargao, this might be your sign. This was my first hostel experience in General Luna, Siargao, and honestly, it was super affordable. I stayed at Happiness Hostel and booked it through Agoda for only 938 for one night. Mixed dorm, upper cabin bed, and surprisingly super comfortable. What I like about the cabin was that it had its own light and charging sockets where I can charge my phone, my iPad, which honestly made it feel extra cozy and convenient. The hostel also has a restaurant, a bar, and so many cozy spots to chill, eat, work, or meet fellow travelers. As someone traveling solo, this place made the experience feel exciting instead of scary. So if you're planning to a trip to Siargao and looking for a budget-friendly stay, you might want to consider staying at Happiness Hostel too.